everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited because I got sent a bunch of PR from Sigma Beauty and I wanted to review it for you guys. I wanted to share the products with you guys. I wanted to talk about them. I wanted to put them to use in a tutorials for you guys to see. And honestly, I am super happy with the look I came up with, which is this look right here. I feel like I really stepped out of my comfort zone. I did something very bold and colorful, which is not what I do often. So credit for this inspiration goes to the Sigma Viper palette, you guys. This is such a stunning palette. It has some gorgeous shades in here. Just looking at the last row, this is what inspired this entire look. While this palette has some beautiful neutral shades up there, I just saw these two shades. So this bottle green color right here and this electric blue shimmer shadow right here. And I just knew I wanted to use these and put them together in a look. And this is the look we've come up with. So I'm going to be showing you guys a step-by-step on how I created this look using this palette. I'm also going to be using the new Sigma Sinuosity Lash Mascara. And the best part is I'm going to be doing this entire look using 3 brushes that came to me in this adorable Sigma pouch. Like, how freaking cute is this? You can throw it in your handbag, you can add a lipstick in there, you can add a mascara in there. Like, this one fits in perfectly. This is like a full-size mascara, but it's just like super cute and handy to carry in your hand. And it comes with 3 adorable brushes that are going to be dirty because I just used them. But these 3 brushes I'm going to talk about in detail as we move into the tutorial. But how cute are these? Like, I am dying. Anyways, if you guys are interested and want to see how I created this look and what my thoughts and opinions are on these products, then keep on watching. I have a very vague idea of what I want to do and the kind of look I want to create, and it's going to be a little more colorful because I feel like you guys want me to do more colorful looks. At least that's what I gauge out of the comments that you guys leave under my videos and in my DMs. So I'm not quite sure how I want to go about this. I just have a few products laid out and we're going to get started. So I'm going to first use a green eye pencil. You can use any green eye pencil that you have. This one honestly is by DMGM. It's not my favorite green pencil because I feel like it's a little too waxy. I was actually about to toss this out before I decided to give it another try in today's video. It could potentially ruin my look, but I'm just gonna go ahead with it and see what happens. Now, taking this green pencil, I'm going to map out a cat eye shape. And now to blend out this eye pencil, I'm going to be using my Sigma brushes. How cute is this little bag? It has such great quality. It has Sigma written right here. It's super cute. It can fit into your purse really easily. And it comes with these 3 travel size brushes, which are just adorable. We have, we have the eye shading E55, which is right here. We also have the E25 blending brush by Sigma, which is one of my absolute favorites. And then we also have the E30, which is a pencil brush by Sigma. It is one of the best pencil brushes I have ever used. To blend out that eye pencil, I'm going to be taking the Sigma E55 and I'm going to start taking it over the pencil to diffuse it. So as you can see, we have a really rough idea of the eye shape that we want to create. I'm going to do the same thing to the other eye and be right back. Alright, now moving on to this beautiful eyeshadow palette, which is called the Sigma Viper, you guys. Such a gorgeous palette. It comes with a really nice mirror inside. It's a really nice size, this palette, as you can see. Also great for travel if you need to travel with the palette. And what I love about this is that it has 3 matte shades. So we have a matte brown, we have this matte flesh toned color, and we have this beautiful fresh emerald green. It's like a deeper green, but it has a freshness to it. I don't know how else to explain this. It's a beautiful shade. And then we have 3 shimmer shadows. So we have this gorgeous shade right here. which is just absolutely beautiful, and it has like a green reflex to it, which I don't know if the camera is picking up right now, but it's absolutely beautiful. We have this really gorgeous sort of what do you call this color? It's a red berryish sort of a color with shimmer. It's beautiful. And then we have this beautiful, I think this is one of my favorite colors from the palette, is this beautiful metallic blue. Love it. I'm going to now move into my E25. This is the Sigma blending brush. And I'm going to start by taking this beautiful shade right here, and I'm going to apply this in the areas where I just applied the pencil. I am now going to take this green shadow right here, and I'm going to apply it on the outer corner and the inner corner of my eye. I don't know where this look is going, you guys, but I'm excited because I think it's something new that I'm trying out, and yeah, let's do it. So this is the eye look right now. Now the one thing that I'm going to do before I move any further is I'm going to take this flesh tone color right here on the same brush but on the clean side, and I'm going to slightly diffuse the edges of the blue just to sort of make it blend into my skin a little bit better. So as you can notice, we have kept the center of my lids quite clean, and that is because we were keeping some room for this beautiful shade, which is this one right here. It is absolutely stunning and it has a green reflex to it. So this I'm just going to take on a finger and press it right in the center of my lid. Now we are going to take the same shade on a small Sigma E30 pencil brush, and we're going to take this shade in our inner corner as well for that extra pop of light. And now we're going to take that blue and we're going to run it under our lash line. Going back into the shimmery shade and going in the center of our lower lash line. Okay, another thing that I want to do is I'm going to take a pencil. This is a NYX pencil. It's the shade Yogurt. You can take any white or creamy pencil that you have, and I'm going to apply this in my waterline. Now the pencil that I've just applied, I'm using as a base to do what I'm about to do next, which is take this shimmery shade from the palette on a small precise brush, and I'm going to apply it over the green pencil that I just used. So this shadow is going to stick to the pencil, and also if I'm careful and if I don't touch my eyeball, it's going to give this shade on my waterline, which is just perfect. For mascara, I'm going to be using the Sigma Sinuosity Lash Mascara. This one is quite interesting because it comes with this slightly curvy wand that I'm excited to try out. It's giving my lashes a lift, so it's not making them thicker or clumpy. It's just really elongating them and it's making them curlier than they are. For lashes, I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Farah Lashes in number 12. This is just one of my favorite styles of all time, and I love how it suits my eye shape, and I love how it gives me that cat eye look, which is kind of what we're going for right now.
1 hour later. One eternity later.
Okay guys, coming to the review of this Sigma Viper palette, I think it is such a good size to travel with. It's super easy to clean as well. I personally really like the shades that they've laid out here. You can do something more neutral if you stick to the top row, and you can do something very colorful and edgy if you stick to the bottom row, kind of like what I've done today. So you really have a lot of room to play. You can use these colors with one another and really get a beautiful look out of it. The Sinuosity Lash Mascara by Sigma I also really enjoyed. It didn't make my lashes look much fuller or thicker as compared to some other mascaras that I've used in the past. It did, however, really elongate them, and it made them look really curled upwards, which I really like because I'm not someone who uses a lash curler, in case you haven't noticed. I get really scared of squeezing my lashes, so I stay away from those. This, however, I felt like did the job for me, and my lashes looked a lot curlier and just more beautiful. Lastly, these 3 brushes that came in this gorgeous little pouch. As you saw, I was pretty much able to get an entire look done with just these 3 brushes. They're so cute and small as compared to a regular Sigma brush. Let me show you. Now this is a regular Sigma E30 brush, and this is the small E30 that they've sent, so you can see the difference in size. It's almost half the size of the original one, but as you can see, it has a very similar tip. So the size of the bristles itself is pretty much the same, so you can get the same use out of the brush that you would a regular size brush, but the handle itself is much smaller, which makes it super easy for travel. Now if you had to purchase just one product out of the 3 Sigma products that I have shown you today, the mascara, the brushes, and this palette, I would suggest you go with the brushes, because honestly they're so cute, you guys. They're so cute, they're so easy to travel with, and you honestly, except for eyebrows and liner, I think you could get like an entire look done with just these 3 brushes. Also, you guys, if you want to see more of these reviews, first impressions, whatever you want to call it, then make sure you like this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and make sure you ring the notification bell so you are alerted every time I post new content. And might I add, I am being more regular with YouTube. Have you guys noticed? If you haven't, please do go check out my previous videos. I have some interesting content that I've posted for you guys, and I'm sure you guys will find it really helpful. And yeah, I will see you guys very soon.